Good morning and welcome. No. So, yeah, basically, it was 57 degrees the other day in January. All the snow melted, and we went flying. Thank you, Matt and Paul, for letting me ditch out of work. You guys rock. So, in this adventure, I decided to crash in a really annoying spot to where you get... I'll show you what it looks like in this building when it... And then two mid-airs. This one... Michael Vanston basically resulted in nothing. And then the second one, that I didn't realize was a mid-air until I really started looking at the GoPro footage, was with LeDrib. And I almost lost the quad, because we don't have roof access to this roof. Yeah, I crapped my pants a little bit on that one. I was super excited to watch it fall, even though I was like, I didn't care if it was broken at that point. At least I got it all back. But yeah, so, here's the rest of the day. Hope you enjoy. Oh, yes, lucky save again. Oh, thank you, God, I didn't crash in any water. Oh, I'm gonna unplug. Let's see what my voltage is at, 15.3. I'll probably finish out this pack. Oh, man. Okay. That was dumb. That was such a good flight, and I just botched all of that. But, look at this. It's water, snow, not good. Can't believe this thing is completely dry. Again. Awesome. Cyclone! Yeah, we're here. Sketchy! But, yeah, it is, I'm so super glad. Well, I have a sense of direction. Because it took me, well, yeah, sketchy. Here's the fun journey that we get to go on here. So you're like, oh, cool, we're towards the outside. Oh, God, what the hell am I stepping in? Oh, sweet Jesus, it's raining, it's dripping. Why am I doing this with expensive equipment? Jesus H. Fuck. Oh, good God. This is where the hepatitis A outbreak started. Yeah, it's raining. There's no way I'm walking out there. And this isn't much better. Oh, good God. Mesothelioma is something I'm going to have. It is so fucking creepy in this building. I hate when I do that. So, oh hey. Oh, okay. Okay. That's where those holes lead. Huh. Interesting. That is interesting. But yeah, getting filmed. I'm filming, getting filmed, all that. So yeah, that is the sketchiest of sketch buildings to be in. Get lost nice and easy. Found the source of the hepatitis A outbreak. So when you all are sitting there and enjoying Steels and LeDribs and Johnny's and Willards and Stinger Swarms videos, this is what they look like to make it for you. They're standing next to cattails, just like, focus, let's get the right, we gotta get the right amount of focus in.
You do the gnarly shit,
And then you
just like run into the wall for no reason.
Oh yeah.
Going in. I like did it perfect too. And
Oh,
then
dude.
just went in and just no reason to crash. Do it. Do it. Don't be a bit.
Whoa! Try not to get hit in the face of the quad. Wanted to see what kind of tire structure they built over here.
How we're gonna die.
Trying to not get hit by a quad.
Raining.
It's raining. You're right there. Yeah, that was nice and easy. I want to fly through these windows, but I don't dare in this today. Oh, I've done it too, but it's just today is like, it's going to cause explosion into a pond, into a lake.
Well, yeah, if you do it at speed. I don't think I've ever like blasted through it.
You never Jeffied through them?